Hello friends, my name is Mrigen Singh and you're watching Premium Crazy 11 YouTube channel. So today I will give you a quick review on Travel Affiliate Guru. How does its software will be work and how this script will be working for your website and what benefits you will be getting over here. If you buy this script, everything will be told. I will told you in this video. Before that, we have to proceed our video. Remember that you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and smash that like button if you really like this video. So now let's get started. Now first of all, I want to tell you that Travel Affiliate Guru is a completely 100% automated WordPress web script where you will be getting and where you will be earning lots of money by completing and doing one time work. Here you will be clearly seen that how I made $243.73 per day easily and automatically without doing any kind of work. 100% automated WordPress, hotel, flights, cruises, rental cars and tour search engine scripts. One script, one theme. What you will be getting over here, he is telling that one script, one theme, six affiliate partner compare over 700 plus travel sites. Or fully autopilot income in some hours, 100% new buy friendly, no monthly fees ever, work from home, no technical skill or prior experience needed. You can quickly scale this up to 6-figure income. Install, configure and get automatically daily commission and recurring income. Here you will be getting seeing that the launch will be in 53 minutes 54 seconds. Grab tag now retail price it will be only in $67. I will give a link in the description. You can click over there for more information, or if you want to buy this script, then the link will be given in the description. You can click over there and you will be redirected to this page. Now I will tell you how this script will be working for you. How Travel Affiliate Guru start generating income automatically in just 3 steps. Here you have clearly seen that you have to do step 1. Step 1 will be grab your copy of tag now, become the price increases. Step 2, download the file, install it in your WordPress site, configure it and feel relaxed. Step 3, share in social site and start generating income. Your income will be automatically coming to in your directly in your bank account. Here proof of the script, getting your real income, proof of tag. Here some of the students will be using these scripts and start generating some money. Here you have clearly seen that this yesterday he is making $106 and this month will be $2,268 and last month will be $2,961. Today will be 69. Here is some of the screenshots will be where some of the students will making money. This software will be launched by Sumit Kumar Pradhan, which is from India. Are you still trying to make money online? Still searching for ways to make money from your dorm room? If so, then here is the secret reveal. Automated site, free traffic, money in your pocket. It's extremely simple. Get tags set up and then you will be relaxed. And trust me when I say you never seen heard or bought anything like this before. Do you know why? Because up until now nothing like this has been available on the open market. This is a truly first of its kind script and work insane well. Imagine if you can tap in online travel market. $1,091 billion market will be here. Our WordPress travel search engine script is fully automated, self-updated. All hotels and flights are created auto. You don't need to do it manually. All done on fly. It included 2,36,426 hotels worldwide. You have to just do it only. Set up this script on your WordPress websites and it will be automatically do it for your SEO, do it for your website and automatically get all the datas and show to your websites. How if you can just get 1% of travel market, you are in the multi-billion dollar market. You will be here how we discover how to make money promoting real travel companies as a travel affiliate. Major travel companies are willing to pay commissions to you, promote them under your own brand. Tag gets you set up with them with a turnkey automated websites. Here how income will be generated. Here he is saying that how income will be generated. The flight and hotel search engines also pays per lead for $0.40 with no booking compulsory and pays 50 to 70% per booking. Means that if anybody comes in your website and searches for a hotel and click that hotel, you will be directly paid by $0.40 without booking their hotels. You will be getting for one click $0.40. If the customers will be book their hotels, then you will be commission will be 50 to 70% of their booking, and this will be pay per lead, pay per banking, pay per impressions. Here the hotel will be showing that how hotel will be generated income. Same here, flight search engine also will be here, hotel search engine also will be here, car rental search engine 102 countries, and here you have clearly seen that flight search engine will be working over here. 700 plus travel sites, 700 plus travel sites for hotel search engine, and again car rental search engine will be working for here 102 countries. Cruise search engine, YouTube video, it will be automatically add latest video from YouTube. Tour search engine search results from over 30 lakh products across 2500 destinations worldwide. Blog, new latest travel related article will be added to blog automatically. If you buy this script, then the in blog section area, the latest blog which will be given by this script will be automatically uploaded in your websites and seen the customers if any customers will come in your website. Introducing create fully automated self-updating travel affiliate sites that earn commissions a month after month. Here is the product. If you want to buy this, then this product will be cost only $67. Now if you want to buy this product, then the link will be given in the description. You will be do it hurry for only $67. This product will be otherwise if this special bonus will be expired, the retail price will be here clearly seen that $147. Today only one time offer will be given over here, only $67. So top destinations, top hotels with prices, everything will be comparing over here. So latest articles, latest fully website color customization, you can customize your color about your websites, which colors will be perfect for your websites. You can customize any of the color in your websites. Grab tag, here he has again given some of the screenshots how you want to buy this. Click here to get started. If you want to buy this script, then you have to click this. Here you have clearly seen that if you are not satisfied this script, then the money back guarantee will be given over here for 30 days. Money back guarantee. If you will be not satisfied about this script, then the money will be back. There is no reason I see not to get this script when you just self-updating travel affiliate script. Here some of the screenshots how your websites will be looking after uploading this script. Here you have clearly seen that this type of the theme will be looking for you for your websites. Flight and hotels, you can click and where you want to go and from where you have to start it and date, everything will be given over here. Top popular destinations will be showing over here. All you need is travel affiliate group that pay you every single month like clockwork. You have to set up one time and then feel relaxed. Order tag today and get $796 in special bonus. You will be getting over here $796 special. You have to pay only $67 rupees and you will be getting a bonus worth of 796 rupees. What bonuses you will be getting over here? You can clearly see that unlimited license you will be getting for the first 100 customers. We have decided to include our unlimited license worth $297 absolutely free. This means you can use tag for your clients, charging them $497 to $997 for this automated travel script. You can charge any customer to design a website, so you can use these scripts to design their websites, and you will charge for at least $500 to $1,000. You have to do upload your scripts in there in WordPress websites and you will be start charging. You can also get Android app, get flights and hotel search engine app. For the first few customers, we have decided to include our Android app or flight and hotel search engines for $399 absolutely free of cost. If you want to buy this, then the Android app will be automatically, you will be getting here absolutely free. It's time to take action now. You can start making money today. I don't want to tell you that today this is the your time, and start making right now. You have to stop wasting your time and energy on doing things that don't work and don't make you any money. Create your recurring income travel site today and start replacing your salary with this. If you do this today, very soon you will not need your job. You will not need to work every single day. Just set up your site once and get paid every single month. Replace your salary with a new income source that gives you more time for fun, more time for family, and more freedom for everything else. Here you will be again getting 30-day money back guarantee will be getting over here. If you are not satisfied about this script, site launch, this is the product. You will be getting over $67. If you want to add your card, then you have to click on this add your card. Here he has given some of the questions. What is a travel affiliate guru? How does it will work? What benefits you will be get if the code open or the file encrypted? Every types of questions will be given over here. So you can come and search how does it will be work. I hope you will like this product, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like that video. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then you have to subscribe my YouTube channel for this type of videos. I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.